equipment.
You know, for some seniors and disabled homeowners, cleaning the sidewalks and cars of snow is almost impossible. That's why members of a group called Able-Bodied Christian Men, or ABC, are volunteering throughout Philadelphia. ABC Men came to the aid of Laura Clulo in the Northeast last night. She has heart trouble and says she couldn't get to her doctor.
She's stuck, have some medical problem, cannot get to her car.
It's godsend. It's definitely, they're like little angels. And that's great, because there's not enough of them in this world.
And maybe you're interested in making sure there are a few more of them in this world. ABC Men is looking for more volunteers. You can look up their information online.
How grateful is she, I'm sure. Wow.
Well, you know, the